Good morning, lovely people around the world. Today, January the 2nd of 2026. I'm in front of the shop. I ordered it. I bought which is from here. I have finished shopping. For the country is 80 baht. 530 baht in total. Hey, lovely people. For this, it's only second day of the new year. Let's try something new. I will try for the first time using a drill like this to make a hole or 2 holes or 3 holes that allow water to come out. I have decided to disinfect only this blue bit, which is the biggest one I have. Let's try to get some more coconuts. Maybe I need to use both hands. After some twisting and turning, now I've got these 4 coconuts on the ground. Now is the exciting time to try it. Water looks dirty. It was not so easy to make holes, real holes in a dry coconut. Let's try with fresh coconut. But anyway, you can get some water. So 3 holes are good for getting water out from the coconut. So 2 holes. And drill is easier, but still not so easy. So water from 2 fresh coconuts get this amount. As you can see clearly, the coconut water is not so clean, but I think it's drinkable. It's no longer sweet for this water from this coconut. My next work is to fix this speaker system that will make the sound of this receiver that receiving the alarm signal from the wristband of my dad. The amplifier is still alive. Unfortunately, this microphone doesn't work anymore, but this one works. I've tested and it sounds, so I will use this one instead. This is the alarm wristband, and with that configuration, okay, I think this should be good enough to hold everything in place. So I have finished changing the microphone for the wristband alarm system from my dad. So check it again. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a happy day. See you again tomorrow. Let's see whether the wrist alarm works from here, which is about 30 meters from the receiver. Okay. Here it's okay, but not there.